Hi, welcome to Turtle Burger Crochet and Knitting. It's Brittany. In today's video, I will be showing you a demonstration of how to use an I-cord machine. This is similar to the Embellish-Knit. To get started, you will need your machine. You will need the weight that it came with. You will need your yarn. This is a DK weight size 3 yarn. I probably wouldn't go larger than that. And then also you will need a tapestry needle and a pair of scissors. So let's get started. First of all, before we use our yarn, you'll notice that there are 4 needles in your machine, and each of them opens and closes. So if it is closed, it will look like this. And what you want to do is make sure that all of them are in the open position. So you would just take your darning needle and push that down. And they should all be in that position. Okay. Now what we want to do is take some yarn, and you'll have a notch here and a notch here. You want to run your yarn up behind the first notch and over and in here, and then you're going to put it down inside that center hole. You want to run enough length of yarn through there, which I'm not doing a very good job of at the moment, until it comes out the bottom, like this. Okay, and we'll kind of put our weight on there, but not too strongly yet. Okay, so now we want to load the needles. So what you want to do is, here is needle 1. We're going to let that catch the yarn. Here comes needle 2, and we are going to put the yarn behind that one. So we're skipping needle 2. Needle 3, we're going to let it catch it. And needle 4, again, we're going to put that yarn behind it. Okay, so it should now only be hooked around needle 1 right here and needle 3. Okay, and the key to this is you want to go slow. Okay, so the yarn just slipped off of needle 1 right here. That's what we want. Every time we turn it around, now it's going to catch needle 2. It's going to slip off of needle 3 right here. And if it doesn't, you can just push it down a little. You want to go slow in the beginning stages of this. This is the setup here. Okay, and now we are on each of the needles. We are officially casted on. And as you hopefully can see, every time the yarn makes a revolution or a round, right here, watch this, it slips off of that needle, or off that bottom part of the needle, into an open position. Now we can kind of get it going. We've cast it on all 4 needles. We've got it set up. Now we want to go ahead and put our weight on it so that it gives it some tension. And I like to hold kind of in the middle here, where I'm kind of controlling the yarn, but not too tightly. And we're just going to go round and round until it reaches your desired length. Once I get to that, I will come back and we will see how we finish off. Okay, I have now made the eye cord as long as I want. I'm just around 40 centimeters or so. I'm making mine for a drawstring bag. So now what I want to do is go ahead and cut a length of yarn. It doesn't need to be too long because this essentially is just going to get all done, or worked around until it drops out the bottom. Okay, so we're just going to keep going as we've been doing until it all falls and drops down the middle. And there we go. It's all off the needles. It comes out the bottom. And we are now left with these 4 star-shaped things. Okay, so we want to take our tapestry needle and this. And just like this whole process is a little bit of a learning curve, at least for me. And basically what we're gonna do is almost like when you're finishing a hat. I didn't leave a long enough tail, so I take back what I said. You definitely want to leave a nice tail so that when it comes off, you've got room to do this. Okay. All right, let's go in this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, and pull that through all 3, and pull tight. Okay, and there we go. And if you leave a long enough tail, you'll be able to use this to sew in to something like this, or you can, if you have enough room, you can still keep it threaded and then just weave in this way. And there you go. I could have done better with that, but now I know to leave a longer tail for doing that. And there you go. Nice, stretchy, and durable for projects. And like I said, I will be using mine primarily as drawstrings in bags. And there you go. And I will see you next time. Bye.